Hello internet friends, welcome to what I think is going to be my final project pan for the year of 2018, and this is going to be an 18 products in 2018. Now, I'm not really sure if the products that I picked classify as cheating because they all are on just one palette, but my channel, my rules, and I'm gonna say this is a-okay. So the 18 products I am going to pan this year are all in the Shaaanxo and bhcosmetics collaboration palette. Now this is the original one. This is the one that not only comes with 9 eyeshadows on the one side, but it also comes with the 9 lip shades on the other. Now I think I'm going to definitely struggle with the lip side just because they seem to be a bit more of that creamy kind of glossy feeling, and if you know one thing about me and lip stuff, I don't like that creamy glossy feeling. I don't like that stickiness that kind of comes with them. I don't like how they smudge. I don't like how they move. But I bought this. I want to support her, and these colors are beautiful. So I definitely kind of want to give them a try, give them a go. And the other reason I want to get through these are she released the new Remix collaboration palette, and it comes with 9 new eyeshadow shades and these 9 shades. So I guess part of me wants to see if I can really make use of these 9 shades. Is that other palette going to be worth it? Because right now I don't need duplicates of 9 shades. That's ridiculous. So I am not going to buy that palette until I can at least get through this one. And honestly, if I can't make use out of these 9 shades, if I don't like how they wear, or if I don't like how they look on me, or the color schemes that I come up with, then it's not going to be worth it to get the Remix palette. So essentially, I want to pan these 18 products just because I want to know if that Remix palette is actually going to be worth it for me. So just to kind of go over the progress we already have on these, as you can see, the 9 eyeshadow shades, it barely looks like I've touched it. I have used these, I have tried them, I've tried all of them, but like I said, you can barely tell that I've touched them. The lipstick shades on the other side though are really gross. There's a couple of hairs in some of them, and I think that's the other reason I want to get rid of this, is that I can't seem to keep this as clean as I would like it, and it's starting to kind of just, I don't want to say it grosses me out, it just bothers me. Like, I don't like seeing the fact that one of my dogs managed to get a piece of their hair in one of my lip products. That's gross. So I think lip palettes are not my thing. I've learnt my lesson, or at least I hope I've learnt my lesson, but I still want to get my money's worth out of this palette. So beautiful colors. I hope I can use them up. Hopefully they won't get too gross or too messy, but yeah, so that's the progress that was on those ones. As you can see, it's a lot more than the eyeshadows, so that's good. I'll definitely be taking pictures of this so we can actually compare my progress as we go along. So if you're doing the 18 pans in 2018, let me know what they are down below. I'd love to watch your series, or if you're just doing it at home, I'd love to cheer you on as well. So thank you for checking my channel out and this video, and I hope you stick around to see the progress that I make, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.